What's up, guys? Got mail day in today. Got some new parts. Got a bunch of new batteries from Betafpv, 260 mAh. Also got a new cam and VTX, as you might have seen in the last video. Crashed that up a bit, so I had to get a new one. Also got some tiny 2.0 connectors, and then also some frame stabilizers. So we're gonna fix these two bad boys up and hopefully get out flying today. Definitely had more power, but it still had the losing connection problem that we were having before, so I'm guessing it's maybe this receiver module. If you guys have any idea what it is, comment below, but for now I think I might try testing a new one of these and see if that prevails. So now we're on to the Betafpv 65. So what we got to do in this one is we have to put a new VTX and cam in there, which is right here. So we're going to throw that on and go out and do some flying. Alrighty, just got the whoop together. I'm gonna throw it up in the air and hopefully the cam VTX all work out. So let's throw it up.